The BlinkLearning app's new feature, Selective Download, allows you to download only the books you want to use in offline mode. This way, you can save space in your device and delete the downloaded books when you no longer need them offline. If you already have the app installed in your device and you want to use this new feature, you must delete it and download the app's latest version. If you don't have BlinkLearning's app installed in your device yet, download it from your device corresponding store. Alternatively, access www.blinklearning.com and download it from BlinkLearning's homepage by clicking on the Download App button. Versions for PC, Mac, and Linux are also available. Once the download is complete, open the app and log in with your username and password. In your profile's Content tab, select the books you want to have available in offline mode by clicking on the Download button located under each book. Keep in mind that in order to download the books, you need to be connected to the internet throughout the entire download process. If you download several books at once, the first one you click on will begin downloading while the rest will be put on hold. While you wait for the download to complete, you can keep browsing your books. Books that are not downloaded will be available online at all times. Once the download is complete, the book will appear as downloaded. When you're done, you can put your device in airplane mode or remove your internet connection to access your downloaded books in offline mode. To remove downloaded books, click on Edit Mode in the side toolbar, and the option Remove Download will appear. After selecting this option, a verification message will appear. Select Accept, and the process that will indicate deleting will begin. Once the process is finished, the download option will appear again. For further information, email us at help@blinklearning.com.